Hello, YouTube. I am doing videos of before and after of my block windows in my basement. So it's 5 windows that need to be replaced. So that's one of them where the dryer is coming out of. And then you come over here, you can see that it's been broken and it's just all messed up. They didn't replace the windows when they rehabbed the house. And so last winter, uh, I found out that my basement stays cold because of the windows, the air blowing in from there. You can see the rope. Yeah, well, whatever. And then here's the other one. It's all cracked. Okay, so they completed the window installation. So this is the back window with the dryer. So nice and uniformed. And then we walk around. There you go. This is the one with the vent. I had them do diagonal, so when I open them up, if I'm down there, you know, the breeze will come in from different sides as opposed to having them across or whatever. Anyway, it made sense to me. So that's it. And you can see that the changes and how better they look compared to the way they used to look. Apparently, when they rehabbed the house, they didn't replace the windows. So, stuff that I'm doing or have to do because it wasn't done. But it's all good. I thank the Lord that I was able to pay for it. And so this is the other window with the vent, whatever they call it. So, and last, yeah, I need driveway work. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, but it'll get done at some point. And the last window. So they fixed them. They built them before. Apparently, that's the process. You build them before, after you measure it, and then you shove them in there and cement them and call it a day, which is not bad. So we shall see this winter how well they work. 10-year warranty, and yeah, pretty happy with the results. So I'll try to post a little more often, but probably not likely. Peace and have a great day. Bye.